In this video we will demonstrate how to locate the override option and add a user or group override. Let's start from the course page. First, we need to locate and open our assignment activity. Once on the assignment page, click on the More tab, and from the drop-down, select Overrides. Next, click on the drop-down menu to access the override options, User Overrides, and Group Overrides. User Overrides is for individual students, and Group Overrides is for entire groups. We will start with the User Override. First, select the option, and click on Add User Override. From here you will be able to select the user or users and modify the assignment settings for them. To select the students, search for them by name and click on the corresponding option. In the case of adding a group override, select Group Overrides from the drop-down instead. The only difference between the two settings pages is that for group overrides you select a group instead of a student name. From here you can adjust the following settings. For the Allow Submissions from Due Dates, you can set a different start and end date. For the cutoff date, you can change it to whatever date you think is an appropriate time window for the student. Now to modify the assignment settings for them, providing that there is adequate reasoning for taking such action. If a student already made a submission, that submission needs to be made void. You can increase the number of submissions by 1. There is also the option to revert to assignment defaults. Once you are finished, click the Save option. You can return to the override list to confirm that the changes have been applied correctly. Now you can locate the override option and add a user or group override.